Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to auto delete YouTube history on iPhone. So if you want to delete your YouTube history automatically after some times of interval, so how you can do that? For this, what you have to do, you have to simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to simply make sure that you are connected to a proper Wi-Fi or internet connection. And after that, what you have to do next is you have to simply go to settings, and in settings what you have to do, you have to scroll it down until you find the option of general. So here you have to simply scroll it down until you find the option of transfer or reset iPhone. So in transfer or reset iPhone, you have to simply click on reset, and you have to reset all of your network settings. And after that, what you have to do, you have to simply go back. Now what you have to do, you have to simply open the App Store. In App Store, you have to search for the YouTube app, and you have to simply make sure that you have installed the latest version of the YouTube app. And if it is showing any kind of update, then you have to simply update the YouTube app. And after updating the YouTube app, you have to simply close the App Store. Now what you have to do, you have to simply open the YouTube app again, and this time what you have to do, you have to simply click on profile, and in profile you have to simply go to settings. In settings, you have to look for manage all history here. So in manage all history, you will find all kinds of history related to your YouTube, like your liked videos, your watched videos, your comments, and all these settings. Now if you want to delete your YouTube history for a specific after a specific interval of time, then how you can do that? For this, what you have to do, you have to simply click on auto delete. So here you have to simply select the time interval. So what time interval you want to delete, so you have to simply select the time interval after how much time you want to delete the history. Moreover, there is option available, so here you can simply click on delete. So delete today. You can also select the custom date. You can simply delete the history from a specific date to specific date. So in this way you can simply delete auto delete your history. So here you can simply select the date, and after that all of the history will be deleted according to your customized dates and time. So hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.